What's up, guys? I got some new stuff in my new Fohesian grinder. It's a little pocket-sized 3-piece. It's not that, not that big, not that special, but I open this up right here. It gets the job done real nicely. You can see some nice, come over here for the money shot. You can see over here I got some pretty herb up in there. Now it's a six twist, a razor sharp grinder, so grind seeds, stems, and all. Okay, this was in I got shipped overnight. This is my Fohesian Amsterdam grinder. Again, it's a nice little 3-piece. So let me grind up my weed a bit more so I can show you the money shot. Goes to these staff meetings too. He hears what these people are telling him, what your mom and Jesse is telling him. He hears it. Jesse was supposed to attend the staff meeting today by phone, but did not attend the staff meeting. And you got one guy in the line that wants Jesse just to give up his right, and the other that wants it. They don't want Jesse to pass it back, but there's nothing they can do. They paid up. They don't want Jesse to have it. There's my nice little stuff right there. Nice pretty green to that. Now I'm gonna roll like a point, probably 0.7, 0.8 out of that into this blunt right here. We're gonna try a funnel technique that my homeboy just showed me. So we're gonna see if that works.